Stop lying to yourself. Most of the time, pag hindi tayo okay, pag nag-struggle tayo, it was hard for us to admit our own mistakes. It's hard to admit na may utang pala tayo. It's hard to admit na wala na tayong puhunan. It's hard to admit na hindi na kumikita yung negosyo. I actually made a video about this. Check it out kung hindi nyo pa napapanood. It's about the 3 most powerful skills you must learn. And the idea is, in terms of pattern recognition, you have to understand where we are right now, especially in the business world. At nasa hard life tayo ngayon. Nasa crisis tayo ngayon. And one of the major lessons I teach people in self-mastery is, define the problem in solvable terms. And the only way to do that is to accept. Because again, para sumakses ka, kailangan mag-step by the step ka muna, di ba? But seriously, for you to be pointed towards the right direction, you have to have a destination. And you have to know where you are right now. And again, the only way to do that is to be honest with yourself.